Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Malay pickle. Ingredients: dates 150 grams, soak it 10 minutes and remove the seeds. First add dates to blender jar. Then add 3-4 tablespoons tamarind juice. Blend it well. Then add to cardamom seeds and small cinnamon stick. Add ginger small piece. 3 garlic cloves. Again, blend it well. This is our fine paste. Now add this paste into the pan and cook it low flame. After 1 minute, add 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 3 tablespoons mustard powder. Mix well. Finally, off the stove and add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix well. Our pickle paste is ready. Let it cool for 20 minutes. And take 100 grams small onion and green chilies. Add these all and mix well. Malay Achchar is ready. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.